Kirkland. I lost my virginity there. Ça c'est un Donnahama. Ça c'est un Thornton. 3050. Il y a aussi un Donnahama ici. I think the West Island has so much to offer. I think it's beautiful. C'est vraiment beau de voir que comme they have water and electricity here. Je pense ici qu'on sort.
Oui, parce que t'es habitué de les voir de l'extérieur.
Right here.
Oh, you can get off.
You will be watching the match.
After like 7 p.m. it's going to be good.
It's very quiet.
I saw it's kind of crazy.
For sure. But I find it interesting how they arrive at their,
what's the internal process? How they arrive at their policy? Like, for example, one thing I've read about how a section of Hochelaga lines up almost exactly with where the boats switched over from projet to entièrement. So it's like they're very politically savvy, I guess you'd say. It's like,
I didn't know that. I think a lot of them, they might end up being a little cynical for the mandate for those who are doing it for the first time. I think a lot of them felt that projet was bad consulting. They're going to find out that they're just as bad as consulting. But consulting is not a perfect science, especially if you think you're going to consult and then everyone's going to be like, we are all on board.
exactly.
You know, propose the plan that makes everybody
Yeah. I just always come back to like, I really hope we can manage to keep the big structural.
I don't think so. I think the stuff that's already there, they're not going to dismantle for the most part. I think they're going to put all their energy into their creative REM bike path, whatever that's going to be, whatever that's going to be. It's not going to be a utilitarian bike path.
Well, that could potentially. I don't know what it's going to look like. That's one of the things we asked. Like, it could help people get to know.
Maybe. Kids in the REM,
And like, biking around a lot of these areas. So improving that's good. I'm not saying that's like that makes it okay for them to cut stuff in the city, right?
Yeah.
Well,